Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm Dominique. It's been a while since I've done that intro because I've just been doing tutorials back to back, but this time we're going back to our roots and I'm bleaching my hair. Y'all know I was like red and I went black. I went blonde way back in the day and I ended up cutting my hair off. Y'all can go see that video. I was red, so then I put a black, I've used Adore black, whatever, on my head. But now I want to go light. So I saw on YouTube this. I just used it. This is what it's giving. But I don't know if you can even really see, but my hair is a lot lighter. So it is getting lighter, but I'm gonna go lighter. So I'm going to bleach my hair. I already mixed it up. 20 developer, because I don't want it super light. And I used the blue pack. We just gonna jump right into it. Y'all know me. And we just gonna do it. Just gonna do it. Here we go. It's on. Alright, so I just washed the bleach out. And this, first of all, the bag, this area is what I want the front to look like. So I'm gonna go back in and just do a few strands and leave it on for a long time. I want it to be all like highlighted like that. Yeah, like literally the back is how I want it to be. It's a little patchy, but since it's in the bag, it might grow out and look better. Okay, so I just added another round of blonde and I used the foils. I'm gonna test this one because I did this one first. Yeah, that's pretty light, so I'm gonna just start taking these out now just to be safe. Okay, maybe when it's styled, it's not gonna look as bad. I like it, but I don't know if I like this shade. I think I'm gonna mix these together just to like tint it a little bit, just to see. So this is what it's looking blow dried out. It's still kind of giving fall to me. Very like orangey, browny, reddish. But I think once it fades, it's gonna be kind of what I really want. Like it looks different on camera than in person. I just don't want to be too coppery, too red, too orange. So we're going back in. Another color, pretty orange, but I think I can work with this. I'm going to bleach my hair and then I'm gonna tone it. And whatever color it turns out to be, that's just what we're gonna have to work with because I cannot keep doing this. Okay, so this is how my hair is looking. It's like green in the front. But the back is literally how I want it to be. It's kind of golden, but still like honey-ish brown color. So I'm about to tone. All the products will be in the description box, but at this point, I don't even know if y'all would want to do what I do. This is just for entertainment purposes at this point. Go to a professional. I mean, if you're like me, you don't care, then do what you gotta do. But I'm using T13 or T15 and 20 developer, and I'm gonna tone the front of my hair.